All right, Cannabis One TV here. We're talking with Jeffrey B. Kahn. He is the cannabis tax attorney with CannabisTaxAttorney.com. Jeffrey, tell us what you do and how it's important for the industry right now.
Sure, Adam. As you know, under federal law, cannabis is illegal, but it still has its own taxes. Okay, its own taxes that you have to pay because there's a special provision in the code that prevents cannabis businesses from deducting a lot of expenses that ordinary businesses can deduct, which means if you don't do the right planning, you could be stuck operating a non-for-profit cannabis business instead of a for-profit cannabis business. And that's where I come in to help put more money in your pocket and keep you out of trouble with the feds.
What are the biggest problems you see when you walk into a cannabis dispensary or a grower or any of these guys that are trying to float above the law at this point?
Well, I think for a lot of them who are successful, they've been in the business for the long time, and they've been kind of like off the radar screen. But the IRS is stepping up in its enforcement efforts. They've said they're going to increase the audits that they do, the investigations they do in this area, because they know where the businesses are located. Heck, how do the customers find these businesses? Well, that's the same way that IRS is going to find them. So you can't hide from this. And now's the time to come out, to be proactive, to plan ahead, because, again, the more proactive you are, the better off you're going to end up being.
So what areas do you help people in with this? Is it just taxes, or do you help them with some of the other areas with regulations?
So I can help you with taxes, regulations, transactional work, setting up different entities, intercompany agreements, and essentially putting together the plan. I help out with the compliance, and then when that plan gets attacked, let's say like the business receives a letter that they're going to be audited by the IRS, I step in, I'm an advocate, I act on their behalf to get the best result possible, and I can take it all the way up to the U.S. tax court.
Great. Anything else you'd like to let anybody know that you do that we didn't cover?
Well, I also handle any of the operational needs as well. So record keeping, accounting, dealing with cash management, all those items that going to somebody who's got not only a legal background, but also an accounting background as well. You're coming to me, it's under attorney-client privilege, everything's done through my law firm, and that's very solid advice that somebody can get, that they can use, and be so much better off.
Very good. Jeffrey, thank you so much.
Thank you, Adam.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Adam Frick with Cannabis One TV. We'll see you next time.
All right.